Welcome to today's English conversation practice. In this video, you'll follow a complete travel story from the airport check-in to meeting a friend in a new country. You'll hear real-life dialogues in 5 different scenes. After each scene, we'll review useful vocabulary with simple explanations and examples. Every sentence is repeated twice. This helps you practice your pronunciation and improve your listening skills. You can pause and repeat after me just like shadowing. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak English with more confidence in real situations. Are you ready to travel with us? Let's begin scene 1. At the check-in counter, Scene 1, Airport Check-in Counter. Our story begins at the airport. The passenger is ready to check in for his flight. Let's listen to the conversation between him and the check-in agent. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Of course. May I see your passport and ticket? Of course. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today? Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase. Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Please place it on the scale.
Sure. Sure.
It's a bit overweight. Would you like to pay the fee or remove something? It's a bit overweight. Would you like to pay the fee or remove something?
I'll remove something. Just a moment. I'll remove something. Just a moment.
No problem. Take your time. No problem. Take your time.
Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, now it should be fine.
Yes, it's good now. Here is your boarding pass. Yes, it's good now. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate should I go to? Thank you. What gate should I go to?
Gate 12. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m. Gate 12. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m.
Thanks again. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight. You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Vocabulary. Check-in, meaning to register for a flight before boarding. Example, I checked in online last night. Passport, meaning an official document that allows you to travel internationally. Example, don't forget your passport at home. Suitcase, meaning a large bag used to carry clothes and other items when you travel. Example, my suitcase is full of clothes and books. Overweight, meaning heavier than allowed. Example, my bag was overweight, so I had to pay a fee. Boarding pass, meaning a document that lets you get on the plane. Example, I showed my boarding pass at gate 12. Scene 2. On the plane. Talking to the flight attendant. The passenger is now on the plane. During the flight, he speaks with the flight attendant to ask for a few things. Let's listen to the conversation. Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please? Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Of course, here you go. Of course, here you go.
Thank you. Also, is lunch being served soon? Thank you. Also, is lunch being served soon?
Yes, we'll start serving lunch in about 15 minutes. Yes, we'll start serving lunch in about 15 minutes.
Great. Do you have a vegetarian option? Great. Do you have a vegetarian option?
Yes, we have a vegetarian meal. Would you like that? Yes, we have a vegetarian meal. Would you like that?
Yes, please. That would be perfect. Yes, please. That would be perfect.
All right, I'll bring it to you when it's ready. All right, I'll bring it to you when it's ready.
One more thing. How long is the flight? One more thing. How long is the flight?
The total flight time is about 6 hours and 20 minutes. The total flight time is about 6 hours and 20 minutes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Vocabulary. Blanket meaning a warm cover used while sleeping or resting. Example, the plane was cold, so I asked for a blanket. Vegetarian meal, meaning a dish with no meat, often with vegetables, grains, or cheese. Example, I don't eat meat, so I always choose the vegetarian option. Serve a meal, meaning to give or offer food to someone. Example, they served breakfast right after takeoff. Flight time, meaning the total time the airplane is flying. Example, the flight time from New York to Paris is around 7 hours. Let me know, meaning tell me if you need help or have a question. Example, let me know if you need anything else. Scene 3. Arrival at destination. Customs and immigration. The plane has landed. Now the passenger must go through immigration and pick up his luggage. Let's listen to the conversation at the customs counter. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please? Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit? Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation.
How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying?
I'll stay for 10 days. I'll stay for 10 days.
Where will you be staying during your visit? Where will you be staying during your visit?
At the Sunrise Hotel near the beach. At the Sunrise Hotel near the beach.
Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
All right. Welcome. Enjoy your stay. All right. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Purpose of your visit, meaning the reason why you are entering a country. Example, the officer asked me the purpose of my visit business or tourism. To declare, meaning to officially tell customs if you are bringing goods like money, food, or electronics. Example, if you have more than $10,000, you must declare it. Stay, as a verb, meaning to remain in a place for a period of time. Example, I will stay in the city for 1 week. Enjoy your stay, meaning a polite way to wish someone a good time during their visit. Example, the hotel receptionist said, "Enjoy your stay." Scene 4. Getting a taxi at the airport. After passing through customs, the passenger exits the airport. He now needs a taxi to reach his hotel. Let's listen to the conversation with the taxi driver. Hello, are you available? Hello, are you available?
Yes. Where would you like to go? Yes. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to the Sunrise Hotel. I need to go to the Sunrise Hotel.
Sure. That's about 25 minutes from here. Sure. That's about 25 minutes from here.
Great. How much will it cost? Great. How much will it cost?
Around $30 depending on traffic. Around $30 depending on traffic.
That's fine. Let's go. That's fine. Let's go.
Please put your seatbelt on. Please put your seatbelt on.
Of course. Thank you. Of course. Thank you.
Do you prefer music or silence during the ride? Do you prefer music or silence during the ride?
A little music would be nice. A little music would be nice.
All right. Sit back and relax. All right. Sit back and relax.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the ride. You're welcome. Enjoy the ride.
Vocabulary. Available meaning free or ready to help. Example, I asked the driver if he was available to take me. Seatbelt, meaning a safety strap you wear in a car. Example, please fasten your seatbelt before we start. Sit back and relax, meaning make yourself comfortable and enjoy the ride. Example, the taxi driver said, "Sit back and relax." Prefer, meaning to like something more than something else. Example, I prefer listening to music during long trips. Scene 5. At the hotel, meeting a friend. The passenger finally arrives at the hotel. There, he meets his friend who is already waiting. It's been a long day, but the adventure is just beginning. Hey, you made it! Hey, you made it!
Yes. Finally. I'm so happy to see you. Yes. Finally. I'm so happy to see you.
The flight was long, but everything went fine. The flight was long, but everything went fine.
Did you have any problems at the airport? Did you have any problems at the airport?
Just a small delay, but nothing serious. Just a small delay, but nothing serious.
That's good. Are you tired? That's good. Are you tired?
A little bit, but I'm excited to explore the city. A little bit, but I'm excited to explore the city.
Great. I made a list of places we can visit. Great. I made a list of places we can visit.
Awesome. What's first on the list? Awesome. What's first on the list?
Tomorrow we can go to the old town and then the beach. Tomorrow we can go to the old town and then the beach.
Sounds perfect. Let me check in and rest a bit. Sounds perfect. Let me check in and rest a bit.
Sure. I'll wait for you in the lobby. Sure. I'll wait for you in the lobby.
Thanks for coming. It means a lot. Thanks for coming. It means a lot.
Anytime, my friend. Welcome. Anytime, my friend. Welcome.
Vocabulary. Made it, meaning successfully arrived somewhere. Example, I was worried I'd miss my flight, but I made it. Delay, meaning something happened later than planned. Example, my flight had a 30-minute delay. Explore, meaning to go and discover new places. Example, I want to explore the city tomorrow. Check in at a hotel, meaning to register and get your room. Example, I went to the front desk to check in. It means a lot, meaning it's very important or kind. Example, thanks for helping me. It means a lot. Great job! You completed all 5 scenes from the airport to the hotel. You learned real English for real-life travel situations. Remember, the best way to speak English is by practicing every day. Listen, repeat, speak. Just like you did in this video, and don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Step by step, you'll get better. Have you ever traveled to another country? What was your experience like at the airport? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to read it. If this video helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. That way, you won't miss the next story. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.